Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, Languages and Input, Languages. Add a language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian. And what you have to do next to set Ukrainian as your system language, you have to drag it on top, and the language will be changed. If you want to change it back to English, you just have to go to the налаштування, then to the система, мова та введення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.